Hey guys, welcome back. So finally Samsung has officially announced the unpacked event for the S22 series and powerhouse Exynos 2200, which is expected to bring console level gaming experience on your smartphone. Further, we'll be comparing some benchmarks for the both Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Exynos 2200. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. Samsung has recently released a teaser trailer for the next-gen Galaxy S22 Ultra, hinting us that the Note and S lineup is combined into one single smartphone, and also said that Samsung will introduce most noteworthy S-series devices next month. Yeah guys, the Galaxy S22 series is finally confirmed to launch on 9th of Feb 2022, and on the other hand, mobile chief of Samsung also shared some official information about the cameras. He says the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a brighter camera for better night photos, which means the night mode on this bad boy will be game changing this time. Moving on, the next gen Exynos is finally here with AMD GPU inside, where this CPU packs some similar features as Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And if we take a look at the official spec sheet, it looks like the Exynos 2200 is all about the gaming and AI performance. As of now, Samsung didn't even reveal the actual clock speeds for the CPU cores. However, here we can see it is based on Samsung's own 4nm architecture, which offers identical 3 CPU clusters as the flagship Snapdragon chipset. Now moving on to the GPUs, Samsung brings the brand new Eclipse GPU based on AMD RDNA 2 architecture, which offers hardware acceleration, ray tracing, helps in simulating the lighting effect in the game according to real life, and variable rate shading, which will help to reduce the GPU workload. The chipset also comes with an upgraded artificial intelligence thanks to the new NPU. Officially, Samsung has improved it almost up to 115 to 133%, which is said to be double the number compared to the Exynos 2100. It can be used with the image signal processor to support taking more realistic pictures. The ISP support 108 megapixel in single camera mode and offers 4K HDR and 8K video recording capabilities while maintaining the quality. Here is some information about the availability for the Exynos and Snapdragon chipset according to the regions, and by looking at this information, I can say most of the countries will be getting the Snapdragon models, which again is a good news for some people and bad for others. But I believe that this all depends on which CPU is best at keeping the temperatures in control. Anyways, talking about the Geekbench performance, the Galaxy S22 Ultra with Exynos 2200 on board has a single core score of 1108 and 3516 in multi-core, and it is very close to Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is slightly more in single core as well as in multi-core performance. On Antutu, again both the chipset got almost identical results, which is looking super great as of now, but I believe that we should wait for the actual reviews. Only then we'll be able to judge both the Exynos and Snapdragon devices. Despite all this, people are excited for the integration of the S Pen, and recent reports suggest S Pen will come with super low latency of 2.8 millisecond, means using it on the S22 Ultra will feel more realistic. Now talking about some key features for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, it will offer a 6.8-inch display with 4040p resolution, 2x dynamic AMOLED panel, and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. On the back of the phone, there will be a quad camera setup with 108 megapixel primary sensor, 2 telephoto sensor with 3.3x and 10x optical zoom, and last an ultra wide for the wide angle photos. Whereas on the front, Samsung will add a 40 megapixel selfie shooter in a punch hole design. The phone is also said to be powered by a huge 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast wired charging, 15 watt wireless charging, and 4.5 watt of reverse wireless charging. So there you go guys, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is official now, launching next month, and if you have any question related to the smartphone, do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.